Hello, this is Kamjan Gary, and I'm here to discuss about why nuclear power is needed. As you can see, my presentation should have a camera, but I'm able to get one, and I decided that I should pass something. Okay, let's start the topic. Why is nuclear power needed? So, why is nuclear power not used more? If it is so important and it is so good, why is it not used more? There's a reason for it. In 1895, nuclear power is first discovered and people started researching it. It has become more popular by time until the Great Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster of 2011 in Japan occurred. People started fearing nuclear power when they see how destructive it is. A lot of people has died on that day, and since then, countries have stopped doing it because the public fears it. And one more reason that people the reason why people doesn't like is because nuclear power can be used for war. A lot of speculations have been happening that if war occurred, nuclear weapons would be used, especially the fear with the other countries that would cause it, especially North Korea. What is nuclear power? In order to talk about this, we need to understand more what is nuclear power. So basically, nuclear power is uses the concept of nuclear fission. This is when an element is bombarded with nucleus and it splits into different forms. When it splits, it creates more and more materials that causes heat, and from this heat, we use its energy. Why should we use nuclear power? I gave three reasons on why we should use nuclear power. First, it's clean. It gives little carbon dioxide that does not contribute to pollution at all. Next is it's efficient. Compared to gas, which is 50% efficient, coal, which is 59% efficient, nuclear power is 91% efficient. That's a very big lead compared to the other sources of energy. And third, it's the future. Nuclear power has a lot of potential. We can do anything with it. It creates so much power that it is really good. I will explain it in the further details. It's clean compared to coal and natural gas, which contributes to pollution and destroys our ozone layer, which creates more problem. And also they contribute to soil, air pollution, and also in sea. So nuclear power does not cause any of this. It is maintained and safely done by professionals. Next is that it's efficient. As you know, nuclear power uses all of its resources. It has all the system. It reuses everything to the last drop so that we won't use much resources and we can save more money. It's the future. So we talked about how nuclear power uses um, fission, but that's the only the start. We can also upgrade it to one thing, another type of energy making, which is called nuclear fusion. And what's another thing that creates nuclear fusion? It's the sun. Imagine if we can harness this power, harness the power of the sun in our hands. It's it is unimaginable. It's gonna be the future of the world. In conclusion, nuclear power is really good. We should not fear it. We should embrace it. It is not only a weapon for mass destruction, it is also our weapon for our future. That's all. Again, my name is Kamjan Gari, and my topic is why nuclear power. Why is it needed? Why is this is not to be feared? And that's all, and goodbye.